Hey YouTube, today we're talking about hot grooves. We're going to be laying down some hot grooves on the kit today, and I know you're going to have a great time. Please comment below or shoot me an email if you have any questions or if you just want to know something different. All right, let me know. Hey YouTube, this is the Rimshot Drummer here. Welcome to How to Play Hot Grooves for Beginners. Today we have 4 hot grooves for you as a brand new drummer to drum set that's going to get you rocking and socking the pocket, baby. So today we're going to introduce 4 beats to you that's going to really have you on your way, and you're going to be ready to play with anything and anyone. So let's get into it, okay? Here we go. First groove I'm going to play for you is a groove that's been made very popular by Michael Jackson. I call it the Billie Jean beat, but it's very simple. Quarter notes on the snare and the kick drum. So let's go ahead and get into beat number 1. I call this the Billie Jean beat. So here we go. Ready? Very simple. Okay, the next beat that we're going to get into is a little bit more challenging for you with regards to the kick drum. Okay, so I want you to listen to the pattern that I'm going to do. Okay, all it is going to be 2, 4, 2, 3, and 4, 2, 3, and 4, 2, 3, and 4. All right. So let's add snare and hi-hat to that. Ready? Here we go. All right, that's the second groove. All right, now it's time for groove number 3. Groove number 3 comes to us from Joel Rothman's Mini Monster Book of Rock Drumming. Joel Rothman's Mini Monster Book of Rock Drumming. I'll have that tagged for you down below. So if you want to check out any of the works by Joel Rothman, they're great method books. They're great books to help you, especially if you're into rock drumming and rock groove patterns. Please give that a check out. You know, click on that link below. And by the way, if you're getting value and you're enjoying these lessons that we've provided for you today, please hit the like button and the subscribe button. It'll help us grow the channel, and we're looking forward to even more fun things to do to help you get started on your YouTube drumming experience or your drumming experience via YouTube. All right, so beat 3. Here we go. All it is coming from, again, Joel Rothman's Mini Monster Book of Rock Drumming, and here's the bass drum pattern for you. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1. I'm going to add the snare and the hi-hat. Here we go. All right, that's the third beat. Our fourth and final beat today is also coming from Joel Rothman's Mini Monster book for rock drumming. And that beat pattern goes something like this. Okay, YouTube, thank you very much for bearing with us through our first 4 lessons ever on our YouTube channel. We appreciate the subscribes and the likes, so if you haven't already done so, please click the like button, click the subscribe button. I can't talk today. And it'll help us grow our channel. Looking forward to bringing you more grooves very, very soon. Have a good day. Bye.